Hey there, Meredith here from artsandclassy.com. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button just to make sure that you don't miss out on future videos, especially ones like this. But first I have to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video. We're going to be thanking Worx for their Makerx collection. They sent this amazing combo kit to me, as well as their heat gun. They have a cordless heat gun. I'm actually using a cordless rotary tool. It has multiple different tips for different types of projects you're going to be working on, and I'm really excited to be showing you what you can do with this. So stay tuned for the project. Let's get to it. Okay, here is the time that I want to hear what you think of how this project turned out. This actually took a little bit longer than I had anticipated just because of all the details in the mandala that I chose. However, if you chose your own mandala that's a little less complex, it wouldn't take you nearly as long. So I encourage you to pick up your own Makerx collection. Make sure you get all the fun tools so you can use them for future projects. I really loved working with it. I loved that it was cordless. I loved working with like a battery operated tool, and I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Links to everything I used for this project will be in the blog post as well as the description below. So make sure you check that out and let me know if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you. I really encourage you to try this project out because I think you're going to be really excited and surprised at how easy it was. Anyways, I hope you have a great day, guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and you'll get more of this content coming to you. Have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.